guys, my name is Anthony Tracey. But I don't know that already because I'm at the star. And on my channel.
And I'm Shantae Tracey. And today we're going to do song association. So I've chosen 10 words. I came up with 10 words and they're on my phone. And
alright, so you all don't come up with the 10 words. Me not come up with 10 words too. I came up with 10 words, she came up with 10 words. And in this challenge, you have to just like, with every random word that's thrown at you, you have to come up with a song in 10 seconds. And you have to sing it.
No, we cannot sing.
If your eardrum is shattered while watching this video,
it is not our fault.
I'm sorry. Can't do better. Team Anthony.
Team Shantae.
No, Team Anthony. It's my channel. Are you ready?
I guess so.
Okay.
I love you and I need you. Baby, I love you.
Alright, not bad. Alright, stop. Mind you kill the people up here.
I'm sorry. I'm all about the money. Broke life never know me. Make me forever bossy. I'm all about the money. Alkaline.
Alright.
Jump the 58. You remember that word? I mean that song is a Jamaican song. An independent song. Jump the 58.
Who sing it?
Jump. I don't know.
It has to be a legit song.
Oh, girl, make your body jump.
Yep, don't pass the 10 seconds.
But oh my God, me I tell you the song, me I explain. Make me big up Jamaica, the land of food and water. Jesus, what? Candy?
I taste just like candy. Or candy girl. Candy girl.
With candy,
Candy girl.
Give me the next word.
Enough song with candy.
Whatever, me I try to find it, I can't find it. Make sure you keep it a secret. I'm sorry. It's just... Freaky girl, let me know. Action. Me. Them can't find the lyrics to that song. They all know me. They know what the man say.
Action. Not a bag of mouth in the real. I said action.
Not a bag of mouth. For real. Love it when the girl in bro.
Alright, something like that. Alright, yeah.
I'm bad. You know it. Big up yourself, Michael. Man, I give one, girl, I give one bun. I don't know nothing that call it bun for bun. Ah! What is over? Yeah!
Not bad. Try to make sure I said them are easy. Girl, good I give it 10 out of 10. What a body good at it, 10 out of 10.
Can we curse on here?
Gravity. Yeah. Gravity. Girl, your love is like gravity. I don't know.
Sad.
It feels so high, weed make me get I. Kill them. Murder. No, kill them. Me I'll kill them. Oh my God, kill. Me killing them. No. I don't miss it. Kill them all and done.
Exactly.
Kill them all and done. Come on, you have to give me that, man.
No.
dog them have to live. Oi, me dog them have to live. Sick in my brain, brain. Give me brain, concentrate. Give me brain, concentrate. Give me it. Yeah. I ain't talking.
I know that song. Barnacle, body rest, make a nigga. She never said brain.
So, no, I need tongue, give me no. It's the song with Cardi B.
Yes,
I need tongue, give me I need brain, concentrate.
Yes,
no, that's just
I
said.
need brain, concentrate.
Yeah.
Barnacle,
Yeah.
body
Oh shoot, I can't believe I remember that. Anyways, continue. Long as you're holding me down.
Wish I knew that song.
I'll have you holding me
Okay,
down.
old man.
Mine?
Yeah.
Which money for me mind. Me have money for me mind. Georgia on my mind. Georgia on my mind. I don't know if I sing it, but I know something got Georgia on my mind. Jesus, man, a real hustler. Man, a real hustler. I just alone, man, a real hustler.
Me never been heard of that song before.
Bad mind, go down. Iniquity, go down. Na. Go down. Thunder rolling at the lightning flash.
Sir?
Hey guys, okay, so who's the winner?
Me.
I think it's me though.
I think I'm
the winner.
If
I don't know.
YouTube lets you, please comment, Shante. Team Shante. Team Shante.
Oh yeah, guys, I just want to address that real quick. So, on a lot of my videos, the comment section, it's not there, it's turned off, but that's not me, that's YouTube. I'm currently trying to deal with the problem, but as of right now, if you have like any comments or like feedback you want to give it to me, you can just like reach out to me on Instagram or Twitter. If you want to reach out to she, I don't know why you would want to reach out to her,
but did you enjoy the video though?
Oh yes. When you enjoy the video, tell me. I'm sorry, I scratch so much because mosquito outside and it rough.
Yeah.
But yeah, so if you enjoy the video, please like it and share it with your friends and family and loved ones, even people you hate. Share it with them. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't, and click the bell.
And follow my social media, Instagram at superbanana.
Don't follow her.
Please
Don't follow her. Why Super Banana? What is that?
And
Anyways,
abstract.
so thanks again for watching, guys. Big up on yourself. And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment. You see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.